Alright, so in this video I'm going to be putting a new heater core into this and getting the heat working again. So yeah, just so I can have heat for the winter and not freeze to death. So I already did this. I put this box back in and the blower motor. My battery sat here before, so I just cut the mount out and put this back in. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna have to mount my battery inside the cab again. It's not too big of a deal. I made it easy to take out, easy to cut out, in case I wanted to put heat back into it. I don't think I'm ever gonna be putting AC back into this vehicle, but heat is gonna be definitely nice for defrost and just warmth. So first thing I got to do is I got to pull the radio out, which comes out somehow. I don't know why that's so loose. But then there's this little panel in here I need to take out, and then I got to take this off as well, and then I'll be able to get up to the heater core. So I'm going to get all that stuff pulled out and then show you guys where to go. Okay, so I got that little panel pulled out, got the radio pulled out, and then I got the panel pulled out down here, as you can see. So let's see, down there right there's going to be a bolt, and then right down to there's going to be a bolt as well. And then down here, there's going to be one bolt here, and one more right here. Take out those 4 bolts, and then this should come out, and you can get to the heater core. So, super easy to replace on these vehicles, and I think these are a 7.5. So I'm going to get those 4 pulled out, and then see if I can get that out of there. Alright, so I got that little panel out. It's a little tight, so I had to take this light off as well and tuck it up out of the way. And these are a 6.5 or a 1/4 inch, so not a 7.5. But now it's just got one here for these straps, and then the heater core itself should come out. Okay, so here's the old original heater core, and you can see why I had to replace it, because when it rolled it got damaged, so I just cut them off, get them out of the way. But yeah, so here's the new one. They're a little bit different, as you can see, but it should still work. This one's just aluminum and this one is brass, so that's just how they did it back then, but should be the exact same process and give you the same results. So I'm gonna get this one thrown back into place and then just kind of reverse everything, put everything back together, and then I can run some hoses to it, because right now I just have it looped off and bypassed. So, and then I can get some heat back into this thing. Alright, there it is, all put back together. New heater core's in, and I just mounted the battery back here for the time being, just out of the way, and just ran some new cables to it. Yeah, so the heater's all ready to go, and I did fire it up and bleed the coolant and make sure the heater was working, and everything works just great. So now I got defrost and heat and everything like that, so that's going to be super nice for the winter. I also just gave the doors a quick coat of paint. This is actually a different set of doors than I put on here. I went to the pick-a-pull or pull apart or whatever you call it, and I got a different set of doors that are manual crank windows, so that there's no wiring going in there at all. So in the summertime, if I want to pull these doors off, all I got to do is pull the pins, pull them off, and yeah, it'll just be super easy and can have doors for the winter. I can take them off in the summer or whatever I decide to do, but that's just gonna make it super easy. And I also did the same thing on the other side, so got windows in them and everything like that. So then one more thing, a viewer sent this out to me. I forget your name at the moment, but you know who you are. He's also building a Blazer. He's got a 4-door Blazer, S10 Blazer that he's building on 40s and 1-tons. It's a super cool vehicle, but he made me this windshield banner, so Stublazer. So I'm gonna quickly get that installed onto the windshield. I think that's gonna look super cool. So back to the doors. Obviously, it's a different color, but it's close enough. You know, once I drive it and get it dirty, get a couple scratches in them, you won't even be able to tell. So actually right here, this is the spray paint. This is the original color, same color as the doors. And then back here as well, all of this is just that rattle can paint. So this is really the only spot left of the original paint. But I do plan on just Raptor lining this whole thing eventually, so I'm not too worried about the colors matching. I just wanted it to be, you know, close-ish. Yeah, let me know if I should Raptor line it gray or if I should do a different color. I'm kind of leaning towards just Raptor lining it gray, but I really don't know. I've been playing around with a couple different colors in mind, but yeah, we'll see. I don't know what kind of colors there is with Raptor liner, but I really like their gray. So I'm gonna get that windshield sticker on because I think that's gonna look super sweet and complete the look of this thing. Alright, and there it is. I think it looks super good. I'm super happy with that. So huge thank you to you. Again, I can't remember your name right now for some reason, but you know who you are and it looks awesome. So that is, I'm super happy with how that turned out. So I still need to get some stickers. I want to get some stickers to put on the side of my YouTube channel, just to have them there. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with that yet, but I think that turned out awesome. So she is officially Stublazer. So once you put a sticker on it, that's official. Yeah, so that's going to be the end of this video. Give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what's going on in the next video. You guys said you wanted to see some of the mechanic work I do, so the next video is going to be mechanic work. And I'll put in a clip of what that vehicle is. It's pretty cool. So I also still have hats and stickers for sale on my website. You guys can go check that out, owenbarlow.com. It helps me out a ton. This stuff is ridiculously expensive and any little bit helps. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. After I get done with that car, we are going to hit hanging tree in this thing, I believe. That's the plan anyways. Maybe we won't, maybe we'll just go for a trail ride, but I plan on hitting hanging tree again in it. So that's going to be super cool as well, because I haven't hit hanging tree with these new tires. So I'm super excited to see how that does, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one.